Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, we will have a look on the split tool in the polygon actions of ZModeler tool in ZBrush. Before getting into the video, I would like to ask you one question. Who invented normal map? Please answer the question in the comment section. Okay, so let's get into the video here. So right now I've got the polygon cube. This polygon cube right now I've got few subdivisions. So I'll be taking the ZModeler tool, which is already there, but here it is where you can find it. You can also press B, Z and M, and then once that is done, hit spacebar, and then you choose your desired polygon action, which is the split, and then we have the target to poly. So there are no modifiers or options here, and the target is only one single poly, and you should be able to see I can click and then you get the split here. And then when you just click it with multiple objects, then you get this weird result. But when I click on a particular face, you should be able to see the face is divided. A point has been added in the center, so the line goes horizontally and vertically, which ends up giving me a five-sided face, which has solved by adding triangles on both sides. So split is generally used to add a point in the center of a polygon face. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I request you to subscribe my channel and hit a like button. Thank you.